Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make some delicious beef fried rice using some steak. Look at that beautiful dish that I made over here. Very quick and easy to make and tastes absolutely delicious. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's begin. Okay, we're first going to pan fry our beef. Over here I chopped up some rump steak beef over here that I'm using for my beef fried rice. Okay, let's give it a quick sprinkle of salt. Give it a quick sprinkle of white pepper. Add in half a teaspoon of sugar. Drizzle a little bit of Chinese rice wine. Stir this up a bit. Cook this for a few minutes. Okay, once the steak has a good sear on it, we are just going to add in a little bit of diced onions over here. Give that good stir fry so that the onion flavors can get absorbed into the steak meat over here. Okay, should be ready. Looking good. Just lift this out. Okay, over here I've got 3 eggs over here. Let's pour this in. Okay, tune your temperature down. We want some soft golden eggs for our beef fried rice over here. Just swirl it around the pan and move the egg on top. You don't want to flip it around. Okay, so once the eggs look like this, we can start to flip it a little bit together like an omelette. You don't want to break the eggs up in the beginning. You want to break it up when it has formed like an omelette shape, but not burnt. Then you get that very smooth golden egg fried rice. Okay, now the egg looks like this. We can break it up. Let's add in our white rice. Okay. Mix it up with the eggs. Now breaking up the eggs into the white rice. And now I'm cooking on the lowest heat. We'll only turn up the heat once all the ingredients is added into this rice. Once you give this a good mix and you have broken the eggs into the rice, we can season the rice. So first we're going to sprinkle some salt. Going to sprinkle some white pepper. Add in half a teaspoon of sugar. Add in a 1/4 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. Okay, now we can tune up the heat so that we can melt the spices into the rice. Tune the heat to medium heat is fine. Okay, just stir fry this for like a few minutes. Now we can dump in our steak and onions over here. We can dump in some grated carrots and also add in some green peas. Just give this a good stir fry into the rice. Once the carrots has shrunk down, then this fried rice should be ready. Wow guys, smelling so good. This is homemade healthy egg fried rice with steak. Wow. Okay guys, it should be ready. Let's plate this. Wow, smells so good. Zoom in, check that out. Wow. Okay guys, check at this. Wow. So tasty and delicious. Okay guys, you saw this recipe is very quick and easy to make. If you want to watch me eat this full plate of fried rice, you can hop to my new YouTube channel called Eating with YJ. I'm going to put the end screen at the end of this video, so you can just click it and you can go watch me eat this delicious steak, beef, egg fried rice. So quick and easy to make.